It can't be
Yeah.
that difficult. So maturity,
Absolutely.
right now I've turned 30. I'll be turning 31, but the heart still is flying somewhere in 21, 22. So and the mind is focused completely on the career and my next singles, and
Hmm.
because I've taken a good break, before during Saina.
Hmm.
So now I'm enjoying
Hmm.
doing work. And if I don't give time to a person who
Hmm.
find, or sometimes
Hmm.
not a good person because you are unable to give them time. So that I
Hmm.
want to do. Now I want to figure stuff out properly step by step. Then we'll see. Shadi, maybe after Salman Sir gets married, I'll think about it.
Okay. Okay. So tell me about the fact that the Kya Kiya Hai Tune, the lyrics are by Rashmi Virag.
Yeah.
Tell me about the lyrics. How involved were you in creating the song in terms of the lyrics? Because I know that you are a hard taskmaster when it comes to lyrics.
Oh, completely. But this time it flew like it was a very wonderful breeze of creativity. I was in Dubai, and
Mhm.
months ago, in January, the show came to me because I had already done Shame in season 2, and they told me on the heart wrenching, emotional, Amal Malik love ballad, heartbreak anthem types. They briefed me, and I said, I'm not in that zone right now. I said, I just did Tu Mera Nahi. And musically also I wanted to do something which was different. So Saina came, which was a good change for me. Then the Dua
Hmm.
Lipa came, Koi Jaane Na came. So I had very different songs. I released 4-5 songs in the first 2 months of the year.
Yeah.
And Main Hoon Tere Saath, out of them, was anyway a very powerful, intense ballad. So I didn't want to do
Hmm.
it like
Yeah.
that. So I said I'm not in the zone also. Plus, I want to creatively do something which is lighter, because things today are a little.
Hmm.
It's it's been a dark time, and people
Hmm.
generally also like listening to what people are putting on music. It's all good, it's working, but there's a lot of mudslinging love anthems happening, that of Bewafai, Ye,
Hmm.
Wo, which it's
Hmm.
okay. And that's a genre which works heavily in India. And I do
Hmm.
too sometimes, like Tu Mera Nahi or Chale Aana, but little positivity is
Hmm.
a little more in my versions. But somewhere I
Yeah.
felt there's so much of that happening, that भूलना चाहते हैं, तड़प रहे हैं तेरे प्यार में, and ये हो गया मुझे, वो हो गया. They've all, not maybe willingly, but somehow I think all the
Hmm.
doing these kind of songs are making love seem like a bad word, which I take responsibility to make it a positive, happy space.
Better. So let's have you sing the song.
So why not? Let's go. शायद खत्म है या फिर बचा है दिल में कहीं पे तुम्हारा इंतजार. तू सामने से ऐसे गुजरा, होने लगा है हमको तुमसे ही प्यार. सौदा ये दो दिलों का लगता है कुछ पलों का, ना होगा ये हमसे बार बार. क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने मेरे यार. जो जीने लगा हूँ फिर से, होने लगा हूँ खुद से. क्या किया है तूने मेरे यार. ओ शामें, कई ऐसी
Oh.
शामें, चलो हम ले, कई ऐसी शामें, शामें, कई ऐसी शामें, चलो हम चुरा ले, कई ऐसी शामें. हो हो.
Beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Wow.
Now tell me, when
Thank
you
you.
think we have people in the room. Applause मैं लेके आती हूँ साथ में. अच्छा. Okay. When you sing with Amal, this is a question I wanted to ask you. When you sing with Amal on stage, do you surprise each other anytime, or is it all
Arman. I know.
Arman?
I know you.
Arman.
I know you
Sorry.
love me more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, I do. I do. I love both of you equally well, but
Yeah.
I meant Arman.
I missed the question. You're saying when I'm on stage with Arman?
Yeah. Do you surprise each other, or you predictable when it comes to who's going to?
He is surprised because I never forget lyrics, and even if I do, I can make like some new word in that beat then and there, and he's looking like, I missed it. How do you get it? So those things we surprise each other. Usually our sets are quite planned on shows together because Arman really has a very organized, proper concert. Mine is from the heart again. You know, I do on my shows, I will finish 5 songs, get into a dance playlist, suddenly come back to a piano set, then get up and dance again. So mine's like
Yeah.
a wave. His is a great show flow. So together, yeah, we have surprised each other when I think he's been really surprised to see me, you know, lose my inhibitions on stage because I've always been the boy playing the keys on stage and he's been the one singing. So at times when he's seen me jump and like 2, 3, steps and do some choreography and stuff, he looks at me and he's like, "Whoa, when did this happen?"
Okay, so you surprise him, is what you're saying.
Yeah, mostly. I'm tired of being surprised by Arman. You know, I think every time he does some song or he performs on stage, now it's so good. Pellet used to be, it's too good to be true, or you can't believe that this is your own brother, your DNA, your family. And used to be in awe because he was young and he still is. But just what he could do at 19, he just does it way better now at 24, 25. So I'm surprised that he can do it. And, you know, he's a very good studio performer. And on stage, he's a different. I don't think many singers manage to sing. You know, obviously, great singers. And Arijit, I've seen their concerts. They sing live, and Arman does. I feel really good that he's worth the audience's, even audience is paying for a show or they're investing their to be an artist. He's giving it his all. So that I respect him as an artist. He's really, really driven and he doesn't surprise me anymore because he surprised me enough. He's too good.
Yeah, true that. Okay, now I want you to sing for all your lady fans in Dubai. What is the song that you will dedicate to them?
Okay. तेनू इतना मैं प्यार करा एक पल विच 100 बार करा तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के मौत दा इंतजार करा कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी ओ अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के तू ही सफर है आखिरी नैना नू पता है नैना पता है सानू किस गल दी फिर मिलने दी सजा है तुझको भूल जाऊं कैसे माने ना मनाऊं कैसे तू बता सब तेरा सब तेरा सब तेरा सब तेरा
Beautiful. I think everybody, all the requests came together in such a beautiful medley. Amal, I want you to now speak to a colleague of mine.
Yes.
She handles the Arabic edition. So what happens is she translates the magazine. She's also Arabic content writer.
Oh, love.
Hanan. She was there for the event. You met her too. She wants to ask you 2 questions, and I'll have Hanan here now. Lovely meeting you.
Yes.
Let's meet soon whenever you're here back. Yeah. Okay. Hanan is
Thank
here.
you so much. Lots of love.
مرحبا أمال.
How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
I'm good. يا هلا وعليكم السلام. How are you? Hope you are keeping well.
I am good. Just staying in the Dubai element so that I don't feel I've come back. But this is life.
How are you? Hope you are keeping well. Hope you are enjoying your time.
Oh, truly. My new release is making me smile every day because it happened in Dubai. I came back, and when I come back home, you know, there was so much bad news happening in my city, in the country.
Yeah.
There's nothing to look forward to. So I'm glad कि I could do a melodious song and लोग सुन के घर पे उसको मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, खुश हो रहे हैं, अपने mom dads को सुना रहे हैं. So it feels really good.
Amazing. So Amal, tell me one thing. What does your name mean? Like, what is the meaning of Amal in Hindi?
I think you'll have to ask my dad, but in Arabic, I think pure, and I think
In Arabic what?
it means pure. I guess it means pure.
Okay, and I will tell you the right meaning of your name. So Amal means hope.
Yes.
Amal means hopes.
Hope for many.
Yes, like the plural of hope.
So
It is your name, Arabic.
I hope I remain as pure as I can make pure music. That's all. I hope. Lots of hopes on me. I can see all young kids. Thank you, all of y'all. You know, for giving so much love to my music, for seeing these interviews, and this is the first time we are doing something together, and let's make it special.
Amazing.
I've used the Middle Eastern strings and violins, and you know, got that little vibe of the Middle Eastern rags and melodies to change up an Indian song and give it a little Arabic touch. Arman's also sung interludes which have those.
Can you sing it for that?
It's not yet released. It's going to come out soon. But,
Okay.
but there are a lot of Arabic influences in that song. And instrument-wise,
Amazing.
I think I've not yet completely got a chance to do an Arabic, you know, song. Like there have been songs in Bollywood like a Dilbar, and you know, which scales and those notes. So somewhat it's something, you know, which connects to that side of the world as well. A lot of people from Dubai, sometimes from Turkey, listen to my music and, you know, message people who are actually not Hindi listeners, but they listen to their own music and tell me that my music reminds them a lot of the music that they also hear. So I think I have a little bit of that world in me.
Amazing. Okay, you know, Amal, while we were waiting for you, many people were asking about when you are getting married, if you have a girlfriend, about love. So I thought, why we don't say these 3 words, love, marriage, and my girlfriend or my love in Arabic. So are you ready?
Okay,
3 very simple words. Don't worry.
Let's try.
Don't worry, okay? We will start with marriage. It is zawaj.
Zawash. Life khatam.
Yes, zawaj.
Okay.
Okay. And love, which I know in Hindi is
मेरा zawash बहुत time बाद होने वाला है, अभी नहीं है.
I think I understood this. It means that there's still time to get married, right?
For sure.
Okay, amazing. I'm doing good in Hindi. So in love, it's hub.
Hob?
Hub.
Hob. Yeah, hob
Yes.
is I don't mind, being. I think it's a beautiful feeling. And very soon I will hop onto the hob.
Okay, and the last word is my love,
My love.
which which is Habibati.
One more time, sorry.
Habibati.
Habibati.
Yes, or to make it simpler, Habibti.
Habiti.
Habibti.
Habib. अभी तो कोई नहीं
Yes,
but जब होगी तब सब
you will get Habibti, I hope. All your fans hope also.
get the right Habib.
Inshallah, you will. Amazing. Thank you very much, Amal. And hope we meet you soon again. I have already met you last time and hope I meet you soon again.
Yes, I will be there soon and we all shall meet. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.